Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern, and this is a rectangle reverse rectangle triangle pattern, and in this pattern we print alphabets from capital E to capital A in a decrement order. So we used nested for loops. So firstly we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we take 5 as lower limit, 0 as upper limit, and -1 as the step value. And inside this outer for loop we create inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we take 0 as lower limit and I as the upper limit. And inside this inner for loop we print the outer loop variable, that is I plus 64. Because this is a row wise pattern, so when we have a row wise pattern we always print the outer loop variable, that is I. So we print I plus 64 and typecast the I variable into character type with the help of CHR. Because I variable holds numbers, but we want to print alphabet, so we typecast the I variable into character type. So after completing the inner loop, when we used empty print function outside this inner for loop, and when we execute this program, the accurate output is shown as below, and it is the simplest and efficient way to build up this code. And I hope you understand, and if you have any questions regarding this pattern, you can ask me anytime in the comment section. And it is a great approach to build up or to practice your as a pattern programs, because it is helpful for your mock interviews and interview preparations, and for campus placements, off campus, and so on. So if you guys have any doubts, any questions regarding this and other field, you can ask me or text me in the comment section. Because in this pattern, this is a reverse rectangle triangle approach and also a row wise pattern, and in this pattern we want to print alphabets instead of number, so we typecast the variable into character type. Like, share, and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thank you for watching. And I hope you all guys really enjoyed this pattern series that is totally for beginners. Have a great day. Move ahead.
I know one